Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome download location in your Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser just as I've opened my Chrome browser, and as you can see I am on this website where I want to download this driver. So if I click here, click on this to download the driver. Right, so this is the file that I want to download, so just click on this drop down and click on download. Right, so the file is downloading just as you can see here. Right, so as you can see the file is done downloading. So if I go to my downloads folder, the file is in there. So if I go to this, so go to my downloads folder, you can see the file here, so which is the name is audio, and as you can see the name is audio. Let's say that I want to change this location, so every file that I download, it goes straight to my downloads folder. But let's assume that your drive, you have two partitions where your drive C is getting full, and you want to change the path of your downloads folder to your drive D or other partitions on your hard disk which are having much spaces, such that when you have to download whatever file that from the internet, it goes straight to that partition or to that specific folder. Right, so now let's close this. Just as you can see, it's on my downloads folder, so I dropped this. In order for us to change our download location in this Chrome browser, so just come to this three dots here. Right, click on this three dots, and then now come to settings. Now under the settings, now you can see that on your left side here, you can see that we have these options here, and as you can see, but we don't have downloads. If you have downloads here direct, it's good for you, but if you don't have it here, so just click on this this advanced options to drop this advanced options. Click on this. As it drops down, now you can see we have downloads here, so click on the downloads, and this is our download location. Just as you can see, it says downloads, and this is our downloads location. So whatever file that I download, I'm downloading straight from Chrome. It goes straight to our downloads folder. Just as I said, if your drive C is getting full and you want to change the location, just here. So for us to change the location, just click on this change here, and this dialog box opened. As this dialog box pops up, now you have to select your location, just as I said. So if I go to my disk PC, and let's assume that I'm having only one partition here, and so if you are having another partition where you want to be selecting that partition, you can just go to that partition, select that specific folder, and then select your folder that you want to be downloading in. But here in my case, it's only one partition that I have. Now I just want to change the location to a different path. So let's say I want to save it. I want to be saving whatever file that I download from the internet to my desktop straight. So I'll select on desktop, click on desktop, and as you can see, it has selected the desktop. Now I click on select folder. As you can see here, the path has changed here, and as you can see, users and now desktop. Right. So now let's try with the download once again. So let's go back to the website and try to download the file and see the location at which the file will be taken to. So let's maximize this, and as you can see, this is my desktop here. So now let's go to this website. So let's say that I'm on this website to download the file again. So I click on this drop down, click on the download, and let's wait and see where it will download the file to. Right, you can see it's downloading, and you can see, observe the desktop here. There is a file here which is unconfirmed. Right, so you can see the file is done downloading, and as you can see on our desktop, the file is here. Whatever I want to do with it, I'll just use them and perform that function. So that is just how easy and simple it is to change your download location in a Chrome browser. Whichever website or app that you visit on Chrome to download a file, definitely it will go to that specific folder that you have selected. So right, that is just how easy and simple it is to change your download location in Chrome browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.